Hey YouTube, Robert here from Hitch to Horsepower, and today we're going to add another thing to the Silverado. We have a TruXedo roll-up bed cover. I was going over a few of the different ones. I definitely didn't want the full hard one. I was looking at the flip ones, but I don't know. I decided to go with this roll-up one. We'll see. My diesel mechanic Evan Moser Repair and Performance up near Hagerstown, Maryland. If you need a good diesel guy, look him up. But yeah, he recommended that, so we're gonna go ahead and get that on here. You know, I'm not gonna do a step-by-step video for you. I'm just gonna kind of hit the highlights and show you what you did. First thing I did, I just drove to Massachusetts and back and through a blizzard, and this thing was covered in salt. So I didn't clean the whole truck, but I did clean the bed rails and things to make sure that that was clean under there. But yeah, let me get this stuff unpacked. Alright, so we got the rails in on both sides. The clamps are just in place, they're not tight. And you can see I went with the roller style, just the roll-up one. I was looking at, the sliding aluminum one, but I didn't really want to spend $1,400 on something that is not super important to me. There's Bubba. Hi, Bubba. Say hi to YouTube. He doesn't care. And obviously you guys don't care. The video I made on him didn't do so well. Anyway, so front two are tightened down. Now we're going to roll this out. You see it has bars every so often to keep it nice and sturdy. And we're going to roll it out, and then we take the measurements. It does have some clips back here, so I gotta hop down my little nifty step there so I don't fall. Oh, that sucks. I gotta watch my hand. And go ahead and close this, and then we see. Alright, so I'm going to have to, looks like I'll have to move it back a little bit. I do have some extra space. Yeah, I've definitely got some extra room up here, so we can come back a little bit. Let me go ahead and do that. There it is on. I had screwed up a little bit at first and didn't have the front snapped down correctly, but now it is. And, part of me wishes I had spent a little bit more and went with either the $500, $600, $700 one, or what I really wanted was the $1,500 one, but I'm really not sure how much I care that much. This is $350. It keeps the, I might have to get a little bit of insulation to go in the corners and stuff, but for the most part it's going to keep the weather out. It's going to keep the wind from spooling in there, hopefully help with some miles per gallon. We'll see. But overall, it's pretty simple. You got snap there, snap there. I might have to, still might have to adjust it. I might not have it lined up perfectly. I think I do, but I'll check it. It's cold out here. I'll check it when it warms up. And then you just roll it, and it will roll up and it will sit right at the bottom, which is one thing I definitely like over the flip ones, is that it's pretty much completely out of your way without blocking the rear window. I'm used to driving without a rear window because of trailers, but so this just goes here. You got some clips, you clip it on over that, and that's it. Then you got your bed back. It barely takes up any room at all. So anyway, thanks for watching. I've got a few more upgrades coming. We got some new headlight bulbs. I upgraded LEDs. Didn't decide to spring for the really expensive full upgrade quite yet. We'll see how that goes. Got those. Got a new third mounted brake light. This one, it's got some water in it, and so I'm going ahead and get an upgrade of that, and got some new cab lights, and maybe a few other things. We'll see. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Comment. I will do my best to respond to every single comment I get in. Thanks for watching. Bye.